Sometimes I doubt the path I chose. Sometimes my dreams feel alone. There's no doubt that it will make me strong, 'cause it's the hardest thing I've ever done. Despite this cruel world and all my best efforts, you surprise me with just how perfect you are. With all my flaws and my bad examples, you surprise me with just how perfect you are. And when I'm lost, you search for me. When I doubt, you might believe. I'm supposed to be the stronger one. You always seem to prove that theory wrong. Still I hold my breath each time you go away with mask on your face. Out in a world that's beyond my control. And if you're dreaming, I never want to wake you Despite this cruel world and all my best efforts, you surprise me with just how perfect you are. When I'm all in a spin, full of cynicism, you remind me of just how perfect you are. When I'm at my wit's end and I'm losing my head, you remind me of